Is your iPhone showing the error message? Your iPhone is currently unable to access cellular data? It's a pretty annoying problem, but don't stress. There are a few different things that might be causing it, like network settings, software glitches, or even issues with your SIM card. Fortunately, we've got you covered with some simple fixes. Let's walk through them together. Solution 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. Sometimes, toggling airplane mode can help reset your connections. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Look for airplane mode at the top of the settings list. Turn airplane mode on, wait a few seconds, then turn it off. Check to see if your cellular signal is back. Hopefully, this should restore your connection. Solution 2. Eject and reinsert the SIM card. A quick SIM card reset might do the trick. Grab a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to remove the SIM card tray. Take out the SIM card and wait for a few seconds. Put the SIM card back in, making sure the tray is securely closed. Restart your iPhone to refresh the connection. Solution 3. Check for carrier settings update. Carrier settings updates can improve connectivity, so it's worth checking. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Select About. If an update is available, you'll see a prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings can fix any misconfigurations. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. Just keep in mind, this will erase all your saved Wi-Fi password. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve the "your iPhone is currently unable to access cellular data" error. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.